ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-14 अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि प्लस 3-15 कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवम् प्लस 3-16 एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रम. A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Shaniwasare, December 26, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashaadhyayiniim Amba Tvamanusandadami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshiniim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्याद् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्मसमुद्भवः कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षरसमुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं नानुवर्तयति हयः अघायुरिन्द्रियारामो मोघं पार्थ स जीवति. पदच्छेदः. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यात् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्मसमुद्भवः कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्म अक्षरसमुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं न अनुवर्तयति इह यः अघायुः इन्द्रियारामः मोघं पार्थ सः जीवति. वाक्यांशः पदाभ्यासः अन्वयार्थाश्च. We have the columns here. अव्ययाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियावाचकाः. अन्नात् भूतानि भवन्ति पर्जन्यात् अन्नसम्भवः भवति यज्ञात् पर्जन्यः भवति यज्ञः कर्मसमुद्भवः भवति कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्म अक्षरसमुद्भवं विद्धि नित्यं तस्मात् यज्ञे सर्वगतं ब्रह्म प्रतिष्ठितं भवति विद्धि. एवं न इह यः प्रवर्तितं चक्रम् अनुवर्तयति मोघं पार्थ सः अघायुः इंद्रियारामः जीवति. There are implicit kriyavachakaः bhavati and viddhi in vakyamshah 3, 4, 6, 7. See, 3, 4, 6, 7. The kriyavachakaः in vakyamshah 1, 2, 3, 4 is bhavati, maybe because the truths in these vakyamshah are commonplace experience, such as अन्नात् भूतानि भवन्ति पर्जन्यात् अन्नसम्भवः भवति यज्ञात् पर्जन्यः भवति यज्ञः कर्मसमुद्भवः भवति. Subjects of commonplace experience. The kriyavachakah in vakyamshah 5, 6, 7 is viddhi, know it, because the truths in these vakyamshah are statements of philosophical postulates and hence not of commonplace experience. Bhutani annat bhavanti. All creation sustains itself by food. Anna sambhavah parjanyat bhavati. Rather, parjanyat annam sambhavati. I would think that it would be good to translate parjanyat annam sambhavati as rains nurture and nourish the food. पर्जन्यः यज्ञात् भवति यज्ञात् यज्ञ पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. इन अपडेट डिक्शनरी यज्ञः यज भावे न a sacrifice, sacrificial rite, any offering or oblation. यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवास्तानि धर्माणि तस्माद् यज्ञात् सर्वभूतः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः. From here only. An act of worship, any pious or devotional act. Every householder, but particularly a Brahmana, has to perform 5 such devotional acts every day. Their names are Bhuta Yajna, Manushya Yajna, Pitru Yajna, Deva Yajna, and Brahma Yajna, which are collectively called the 5 great sacrifices. Yajna. Yajna karma samudbhava bhavati. कर्मणः समुद्भवः यस्य सः कर्म समुद्भवः. बहुव्रीहि. कर्मणः कर्मन् नपुंसकलिङ्गं पंचमी एकवचनम्. In Update Dictionary, कर्मन् masculine विश्वकर्मा and neuter कृमनिन् उणादिः 4-144. Action, work, deed, execution, performance. A religious rite. It may be either nitya, naimittika or kamya. A specific action, moral duty. Samudbhava, production, emanation. Yajna karma samudbhava bhavati. Yajna emanates from karma. Since karma involves activation of energy, that activation of energy is yajna. Karma brahmodbhavam vidhi. Brahmanah उद्भवः यस्य तत् ब्रह्मोद्भवम्. बहुव्रीहि. ब्रह्मणः ब्रह्मन् नपुंसकलिङ्गं पंचमी एकवचनम्. In Update Dictionary, ब्रह्मन् neuter ब्रह्मनिन् नकारस्य अकारे ऋतो रत्वम् उणादि 4-145. The Supreme Being, regarded as impersonal and divested of all quality and action. According to the Vedantins, Brahman is both the efficient and the material cause of the visible universe. The all-pervading cause, the all-pervading soul and spirit of the universe. The essence from which all created things are produced and into which they are absorbed. Vidhi. लोट लकारः मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम् of विदं ज्ञाने अदादिः. परस्मैपदी. सकर्मकः set. To understand, to learn, to know, to realize, to experience, to meditate, to think. ब्रह्म अक्षर समुद्भवं विद्य. अक्षर समुद्भवम्. अक्षरात् समुद्भवः यस्य तत्. बहुव्रीहि. अक्षरात् अक्षर विशेषणम्. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं पंचमी एकवचनम्. नक्षरः यस्य तत् अक्षरं. नय बहुव्रीहि. क्षरः नो क्षर क्षरं संचलने. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. अकर्मकः सेट्. टू फ्लो, टू ooze, to drip, to suffer material loss. This is my interpretation from to flow, to ooze, to drip, to suffer material loss, to wither, to perish. In Update Dictionary, kshar, prathamaganiyah parasmaipadi, ksharati, ksharita, used transitively or intransitively, to flow, glide, so to send or stream forth, pour out, emit. Teshu ksharatsu bahuda malavari dhara. To drop, trickle, ooze, to waste away, wane, perish. Here is the meaning, perish. To become useless, to have no effect. Akshara, in Update Dictionary, akshara, adjective. Naksharati iti, kshar, chalane, ach, na. Imperishable, indestructible, undecaying, epithet of the Supreme as well as the individual soul. Tasma sarvagatam brahma nityam yajne pratishthitam bhavati. Since pratishthitam is a krudantam, it is a kriyavachakam, so that bhavati vidhi as implicit words may not be necessary, but are helpful to get the meaning clear. One point of inquisitiveness is, for Sarvagatam, omnipresent Brahma to be Nityam Yajne Pratishitam, every entity, rather all entities where Brahma is present, have to have Yajna inherent. Is that really so? On deeper thinking, it comes to mind that it is really so. Every particulate matter has molecular and atomic structure with electrons, protons, etc. active therein. So active energy, yajna, is present for Brahma to be pratishthitam, QED. Evam pravartitam chakram, thus excited cycle, yaha, he who, here, iha, here at any time, na anuvartayati, does not follow, partha, हे पार्थ, saha, such person, aghayuhu, leading sinful life, indriya ramaha, engaged in relaxation of organs, mogham, uselessly, jivati, lives. Note, aghayuhu, aghena ayuhu yasya saha, बहुव्रीहि अघायु, अघेन, अघ सिन पुल्लिंगम, तृतीया एकवचनम, आयुः आयुष स्त्रीलिंगम, प्रथमा एकवचनम, अघायुः लीडिंग सिनफुल लाइफ, इंद्रिया रामः, इंद्रियेभ्यः आरामः यस्य सः, बहुव्रीहि, इंद्रियेभ्यः, इंद्रिय नपुंसकलिंगम, चतुर्थी बहुवचनम, आरामः delight, pleasure, relaxation. Indriya Ramaha, engaged in delight of organs. Overall meaning, the meanings of sentences 1 to 6 may better be read in the reverse order. So, from Aksharam emanates Brahma, from Brahma emanates Karma, by Karma happens Yajna, by Yajna happens Parjanya, by Parjanya grows Annam, and Annam sustains Bhutan. Evam pravartitam chakram, thus excited cycle, yaha, he, who, iha, here at any time, na anuvartayati, does not follow, partha, he partha, saha, such person, aghayuhu, leading sinful life, indriya ramaha, engaged in delight of organs, mogham, uselessly, jivati, lives. छंदो विश्लेषण, अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि, अष्टाक्षराणि, अन्ति भूता, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, पर्जन्याद् अन्न संभवः, अष्टाक्षराणि, न संभव, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो, अष्टाक्षराणि, तिपर्जन्यो, बिकॉज ऑफ न्यो ज ऑल्सो गेट्स द्वे मात्रे, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः, अष्टाक्षराणि, समुद्भव, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, अनुष्टुप् छन्दः इन 3-14. देन कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि, अष्टाक्षराणि, ध्रुवं विद्धि, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवम्, अष्टाक्षराणि, समुद्भव, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म, अष्टाक्षराणि, गतं ब्रह्म, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्, अष्टाक्षराणि, प्रतिष्ठि, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रम्, अष्टाक्षराणि, ऋतितं चक्रम्, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, नानुवर्तयतीह यः, अष्टाक्षराणि, यतीह, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, अघायुरिन्द्रिया रामो, अष्टाक्षराणि, इन्द्रियारा, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे, मोघं पार्थ सजीवति, अष्टाक्षराणि, सजीव, एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका, अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्याय, notes of self study. I have copy pasted details from Apte's dictionary for the words yajna, karma, brahma and akshara. I would think that these cryptic words are technical terms in Indian philosophy. No dictionary can really explain them satisfactorily, much less comprehensively. The phrases यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भव, कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवम विद्धि, ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवम are themselves some explanation of these words, but they sound to be postulates. Again, of the four, yajna and karma can be somewhat understood. The other two words, Brahma and Akshara, are ulterior to commonplace experience. The phrases Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi and Brahma Akshara Samudbhavam Vidhi are postulates. They have to be accepted to be true, especially the word karma in Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi has to be seen in its broadest perspective to encompass emission of lava from the volcanoes, karma, floating of the icebergs, karma, devastation by tsunamis, hurricanes, and whirlwinds, karma, are all Brahmodbhavani karma. Even the celestial events like comets and eclipses are Brahmodbhavani karma. That would give some idea of what Brahma is and how Sarvagatam Brahma, omnipresent Brahma, Nityam, always, Yajne, in activation of energy, Pratishtitam, evident is. This also becomes some explanation that Yajna Karma Samudbhava, happening of any and every activity is Yajna. The wink of the eyelid is also Yajna because it is happening of an activity. Karma Samudbhava, activation of energy. The phrase Bhutani Annat Bhavanti, all creation sustains itself by food, is a commonplace experience. Bugs and mosquitoes sustain on human blood. A child which is yet to learn the speech cries when it is hungry. Food satisfies hunger. There is a beautiful Marathi poem by Santa Janabai. पक्षी जाय दिगंतरा बाळकासी आणि चारा घार हिंडते आकाशी झाप घाली पिलासाठी. Birds fly up and away to bring food for the little ones. माता गुंतली कामासी चित्त तिचे बाळापाशी. Mother, even when busy with work, she is always mindful of her child. वानर हिंडे झाडावरी पिली बांधुनी उदरी. She monkey jumps across the trees holding the little one to her stomach. तैसी आम्हासी विठ्ठल माये जनी वेळोवेळा पाहे. Same way, Jani sees that Lord Vitthal takes care of his devotees like mother Maye. These verses, the verses Annat Bhavanti Bhutani Arjuna, are replete with words from Dhatuhu Bhu, Bhavanti, Sambhavaha, Bhavati, Samudbhavaha, Udbhavaha. They sound to be synonymous, though with subtle differences in the meanings. In the phrase Evam Pravartitam Chakram, thus excited cycle, the word Pravartitam is pra plus vrut, to excite. Tasya kta visheshanam pravartita. Atra napusakalingam. Prathama ekvachanam. The point is, by whom is this chakram, cycle, pravartita, excited? Since karma is brahmodbhavam and Brahma is sarvagatam, is it that pravartitam chakram, that is chakra pravartanam, is also the doing of Brahma? The mention evam pravartitam chakram, thus excited cycle, yaha, he, who, he, iha, here at any time, na arto na anuvartayati, does not follow, raises a point of inquisitiveness whether he who does not follow has the choice not to follow. Is it really so? I just put forth a few questions. There is a sort of a proverb that answer to a question is in the question itself. By that logic, the answer seems to be as follows. Evam chakram, such cycle is pravartitam, initiated and excited by Brahma only. Every individual has the liberty to decide whether to follow, to do anuvartanam or not. If one na anuvartayati, saha, such person, aghayu, leading sinful life, indriyarama engaged in delight of organs, moham uselessly jivati lives. The advocacy implicit for Paramshreya, the ultimate bliss, is that Chakram Anuvartayan Jivet. One should live in accordance with, that is, respecting, following the Chakram. How does one do that? One should not live Aghayuhu. One should not lead a sinful life. One should not live Indriyarama, engaged in delight of organs. One should also respect food, that is, partake of food respectfully, because bhutani annat bhavanti. So partaking food should be with a conscientiousness that parjanyat sambhavat annam is for sarvani bhutani. Annam is for sarvani bhutani. There should not be selfishness in partaking food. One should eat to live, not live to eat. Partaking food should not be for indriyarama, for delight of organs. Partaking food is also karma. Yajna. There is a beautiful verse in Marathi which at the beginning of a large party or dinner party is recited together. Vadani kavala gheta. When putting a morsel of food in the mouth, Nama ghya Shri Harice, recite the name of Shri Hari. Sahaja havana hote. So naturally, effortlessly, it becomes an offering unto the Lord of fire. Namagheta Fukache. When uttering the name which does not cost anything. Jivanakari Jivitva. Make life by such living. Anna hai Purna Brahma. Food in its entirety is Brahma only. Udara Bharana no hai. It is not filling the belly. Jani je yajna karma. Have the conscience that partaking food is a sacrificial ritual. Yajna karma. There is a Sanskrit stanza which is even more sublime. Harir Data, Harir Bhokta. Hari is the provider, Data. Hari is the consumer, Bhokta. Harirannam Prajapati. The food is Hari, because it also is a creation of the creator, Prajapati. Harir Viprashariretu. Hari is the intelligent administrator of the body. Bhungte bhojayate Hari. Hari, not you, is the one who provides and consumes and sustains. See also, Brahmarpanam Brahmahavir Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhina. This is from Gita 4-24. Brahmarpanam. The one to whom the offering arpanam is done is Brahma. Brahma Havihi. What is offered? The Havihi is Brahma. Brahmagnau. The fire wherein the offering is done is Brahmagni. We feel hungry when there is fire in the stomach. That hunger is the fire. So we put food offering into that fire. Brahmagni. Brahmana Hutam. The one performing the offering is Brahma. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina. The performer is steadfast in this Brahma karma and shall attain Brahma. These are verses which merit committing to memory and reciting when partaking every morsel of food. The phrase Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi has implicit in it an advocacy that all karma is Brahmodbhavam, must be regarded as such. One should never shun any karma that presents itself for you to do. This brings to mind Sahajam karma kaunteya sadosham abhinatyajet sarvarambhai doshena dhumena agrivavruta. Again, Gita comes in 18th chapter, 48 words. Kaunteya karma, which presents itself sahajam, naturally. Sahajam, naturally. Sadoshamapi, even it appears full of improprieties, na tyajet, must not be shunned. Sarvarambha, all beginnings he doshena are clouded by improprieties. Dhume nagri vavrutah. Just as fire is clouded by smoke. An example in mathematics. Before we start solving it, it is a difficult example. But once you go about it, decide that you are going to solve it, you will solve it. In fact, living happens only by doing karmani, as is made explicit in Kurvanneveha karmani jiji vishechatam sama evan tvaina anyathetosri na karma lipyate nare. Ishavasya Upanishad. One wishing to live 100 years, if shatam samaha jiji vishet, one can live only karmani kurvanneva, doing karmani only. Evan tvai. It is like that only. Itaha anyatha na asti. There is nothing else. No karma lipyate nare. As such, karma is not a layer on you. It is no extra load to be carried. Karma does not make you a beast of burden. There are many verses which merit study, memorizing and reciting. Do that and you are on the path of Param Shreya. Shubhamastu.